Hi guys, after RAM and SSD upgrade, now laptop starting, Windows installed, Windows 10 Pro. Let's see how it is work right now. I will show you the installed RAM and SSD. Let's start. Now it started and working fine. As you can see, it's working fast. Just wait. I will arrange the desktop icon on desktop. Let's see the desktop icons. Now click on desktop icon, apply and okay. Then you can see on desktop. Now see the RAM. The RAM is 12 GB and SSD is 256 GB. Now for use from 256 GB from 237. Now we're starting once. We start fast. Now booting is also fast, as you can see. Yes, that best. This is the difference of upgradation. If you want to upgrade your laptop and PC, you can contact with me. Thank you so much. Like, share, and subscribe.